wants to just stare at him.
Nili's in her little cradle swing rocky chair. She just woke up a little bit. We'll see how long she lasts before she starts crying. Oh, is that a hiccup or a burp?
Might be going to the bathroom. I'm not sure.
Oh, that's a big hiccup. There's Mommy and Nili. Oh, hiccup. Her hiccup made this swing rock. Burp. Was that a burp?
Hiccup.
Hiccup. Hiccup.
Oh. Do you like this one?
She really does have the hiccups, doesn't she?
What? You okay? Yeah. Hi. Oh my goodness, you've got big hiccups. Oh my goodness. You're a big hiccuper. Hi. Hi. You're very calm in this chair. You like it for now. Nili. Hi. Hi, Daddy. There's the camera. Say hi. Hi. Oh, and it's going back to sleep.
Can you hiccup yourself to sleep?
There's a little gas smile. Not smiling for real yet. A few more weeks. Sorry. Nili. Nili. Hi. Oh, do you have hiccups? Do you like your swing? Okay. Ooh. I'm not very exciting yet. I don't do much. No tricks.
What's that smile?
She might want to come out soon.
Oh, okay.
Say bye.
Oh, bye.